Welcome to this Delta PLC programming tutorial using WPL software. Let's start by creating a new project. Click on file, then a window will pop up asking to confirm. If you want to create a new project, click yes. Here we shall name it as a ORGIT. Now you shall see the ladder diagram interface ready for programming. Let's first add output coil. Click on the output coil icon, set the device name to Y. Next, place a normally open contact. Click the NO contact icon or press F1, assign it as X0 and click OK. To create a parallel or logic circuit, place your cursor below X0, click the NO contact icon again and set this one to X1. Then connect X1 in parallel with X0 using the vertical line tool. Now let's compile and test our ladder program. Click on the compile menu. After compiling, click the simulator icon, then click transfer to PLC and hit OK to download the code. Click the online mode button, then set the PLC to run mode and confirm with yes. Then PLC is now actively running our logic. Let's test the OR logic. Right click X0 and set it to on. Notice that how output 50 turns green. Then now right click on X1 and turn it on, output 50 energizes again. This confirms our parallel OR operation works perfectly. That's how you program and simulate a simple parallel OR circuit and simulate a simple parallel OR circuit in Delta WPL software. Thanks for watching.